There's so much that's happening. There really is so much we're working on. There's so many kind of ideas in the hopper that are being developed simultaneously.
One of the things that we talk about internally is the Henry Ford quote. If I would have asked people what they wanted, they would have told me faster horses. So as a team, we spend a lot of time thinking about the future. What processes can we start implementing now into the software, into the LobbyFox kiosk?
Some of the biggest things are adding different avenues for people to do check-ins. So at the moment, we obviously have the kiosks, but iOS is a big thing. With an iOS app, you really can get started in no time, basically.
One of the most challenging requests that we've gotten from customers is implementing a way to check in using your mobile phone. So this took the form of a QR code check-in, which we released earlier this year to resounding success.
I think that's kind of another cool avenue. We're kind of investigating how far we can take that.
Other providers in this space tend to be really reactive. They're looking in the rearview mirror, they're solving the problems of yesterday. We're looking into the future. We're making predictions about the types of problems that our customers are going to have 6 months from now, a year from now. That's why our dev timeline is so far out. We're looking into next year, the year after that. We're trying to solve problems that our customers don't even realize exist yet. Fox Connect is a suite of integrations with various communications platforms like Slack, Microsoft Teams, and more. We want to give our customers as many different options as possible for how they receive their notifications whenever a visitor arrives, beyond just a text message or an email. We've been working really hard behind the scenes on the development of Fox ID. So for our check-in kiosk with Fox ID enabled, your visitors simply walk up to the check-in kiosk. It recognizes them if they've been there before, and they're instantly checked in. Personally, I think that this is going to provide a lot of value to our customers and more importantly to their visitors. The types of visitors that are really going to benefit the most from Fox ID are visitors that you get to your facility very frequently. So this could be like contractors working on a multi-month project on your premises, or a visiting executive that stops by once a quarter.
When people see that we make these changes, it gets everybody excited, and it's continued to create this product that just offers more and more flexibility for everyone that uses it.